Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay, which state do you belong to? Oh, yes, I am also from India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Mhm. Okay, what do you do? Are you a student or working? Which department are you studying? Okay, and are you studying technical or non-technical? Okay, okay. What type of competitive exam are you preparing? Mhm. Okay. SSC and state exam, right? Bihar state exam. Okay. Advance all the best. As soon as possible, you fulfill your desire and demand and what you want to be in future. Then you tell me, do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna interact with language learner? Okay. Then you use this platform, right? How long have you been using this platform? Mm-hmm. Okay, if you get free time, then you use this platform. You are not a regular user, right? Obviously, anyone they don't have time to use regularly this platform. I think so. Everyone face because they have a personal work and professional work, right? That if they get time, then use these platforms. Some people they are using regularly. I think so. Maximum 2 or 5% people. Otherwise, people they if they get time, then they use these platform because you are a student. Then you have to go to school, college, right? You are yeah because right. How much time do you invest with study per day? How much time? Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Okay, that is a casual, right? Everyone did help their parents or they have also do in different work, but you invest your time 8 hours with study. That is a good job because you have your mission and vision and destination you want to achieve within short period, right? You want to crack top exam in your state exam and SSC and you want to be a government employee in future, right? Then you are doing in hard work also and you can say you are doing also practice, right? Of course, definitely anyone can they do this kind of, right? Then you tell me, have you completed your graduation in CBSE, ICSE or state board? Mhm. Then, do you talk with anyone in English with your friend? Do you talk with them? Right. Not only Bihar, we are Indian and India is a languages country. All states have different languages. Then we never get chance to interact with anyone in English, right? Because we have a one mother tongue. We always speak with them, anyone, friend, family members, neighbor, relatives, any kind of person in our mother tongue, right? And we don't know who speak in English, how we recognize them, how we identify them to talk in English, right? That's why we people depend in this type of platform. And if you come online and if you use this platform, you get someone to talk with them in English because we don't have different option on our hand. Right now, I don't know your native language, you don't know my native language. Still, we are communicating each other through English, right? That's why this type of platform is a better, and this type of platform provide language partner according to atmosphere also, right? Including atmosphere. Yeah, you can say I'm using this platform around 2 and 3 months. Not new, I'm not new. I'm old user this platform, but I'm not also regular like you. If I get time, pardon, I I want to enhance my English speaking because that English is one type of language because you can grow your personal life and you can grow your professional life as well, right? And if you don't have good knowledge about English, then how can you grow your professional life and personal life, right? And English is just like a language. We should learn and speak in English language. As a Indian, India is a languages country, right? At least we can speak and we can learn 4 or 5 languages. It is a better for us because if you go to south part, then if you don't know their mother tongue and if you don't know English, how can you interact with them, right? Because maximum south part people they know their mother tongue and they maximum know in English. And little bit people, some people they can understand Hindi and they can speak Hindi, but maximum time you go there, if you go there, then maximum people they speak their mother tongue and English, right? But it is, that's why it is a global language, it is a scientific language, it is a democracy language, it is a judicial language, and it is also official language within India, right? No, I'm not a teacher. I'm a language learner. That's why I'm discuss with you because you are also language learner, right? Then what type of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking apart from this platform? Mhm, mhm. Right, right. That is a good thing, right? Grammar and vocabulary, part of speech, idiom, phrasal verb, those ingredients are backbone of language, right? Because we cannot deny, we have to learn. We like or dislike, it doesn't matter. We have to learn and we have to use and implement while interact with others, right? Because without grammar, we cannot make also sentence properly. It's okay. Guider, teacher, mentor, they always tell speaking doesn't take any grammar. But if you think deeply without grammar, how can you make sentence? Tell me, right? But it's okay because we don't have atmosphere with whom you interact and where you listen, right? We don't have both kind of listening and speaking also, right? That's why we have to focus also little bit grammar. I'm talking about well educated people, right? Otherwise illiterate people, they can also speak, they cannot read, right, but they can speak because they got atmosphere, right? I am talking about special Mumbai and Delhi beggars, street vendors, rickshaw puller, auto puller. They got atmosphere. They always interact with foreigner. They always interact with tourist people, right? They don't have different option. They have to speak with them in English, right? Then that they got atmosphere. That's why they listen and they speak. But we don't have listening atmosphere. We don't have speaking atmosphere where we listen with whom we speak, right? That's why well educated people, they have to focus also grammar, vocabulary, right? Then they can make a good sentences while interact with others. Their mind provide sentences, right? But we have to train our mind also. It is not a easy task, right? Because you are also language learner. But I can understand you also did hard to speak better English, right? I am also doing hard work. Not like a no one can get overnight, right? It will take time. It is a language, obviously it will take time. Of- Right. Of course, definitely. I agree with your point, but perfect practice make you perfect, right? That is also required because if you don't make to-do list because you are preparing government job, right? Then you can learn you know how to prepare with yourself and you know your weak point, you know your strength, and right? And what your weak point, which subject you are weak, you have to spend lots of time that subject, right? If you have good knowledge about any subject, then you implement your time with short, right? Not maximum, minimum time you invest with that subject, what you know perfectly. And which subject you are weak, you have to invest lots of time with that subject. You have to know about deeply, right?